test git works locally. Nose test git. Totally. Is it running even? It's okay, so this is not running for me because we don't have Paul. But if we had Paul, it would run and it also wouldn't work. So this is the threaded version. This will definitely not work. But why does this not work? It should abort, right? I wonder what kind of string we have here. Let's print it. Yeah, damn it. True. I can't even, as I cannot reproduce this. I can't even run this Paul code because I do not have Paul on my system. I could spin up a virtual machine and try it there. Should I? Probably I should. Yeah, to make sure this really works. Okay. Convince myself. Because the alternative is to push and wait for Travis all the time, and I don't like that idea very much. So, there we go. Let's bring up some nice terminal emulator. Feel free to update. And there we go. So, did I set this up? Yeah, I set it up. And now I'm here seeing the same data that I see. Nose test 2.7, test git. Awesome. So here I should be able to reproduce this. Yes. Nice. That is very nice. So let's put in this line that I removed a moment ago. And here we are. Now I should see what exactly is contained in that line. Git fetch origin returned with exit code 128. And then it captures some logging. Yeah, the question is, did this ever work? This 128 exit code, is this something I do? Yeah, you know what? I think we might just check for this 128 exit code then. Because I don't think that this ever worked. I can't recall that I ever... Yeah, because this has never run on my system anyway. How can I assume this works? So we could check for the exit code. Because this output we don't even get unless we override the logger that will fetch this information. Well, I think I will just go for the 128 exit code and assume this is what we expect. On the other hand, we want to try to run it, right? And this is kind of the marker that shows us, but from there, yeah. Let's check SSH origin. Check for FOO as it. Yeah, there's also a question. Why don't we see it in this thread? What's going on? I mean, we kind of see the exception starting from here, but this looks like it's in a different thread. Dispatch single line. But it isn't. I totally don't get it. With Paul, there is no separate thread. But this exception, so this, we just don't see this error output. Or maybe I have std error there. No, I don't. Because std error is handled by my own fetch. And if it sees some foo thingy there, then it will just ignore that line. Yeah, so I'm basically pruning this line myself. Okay, so let's check for what we can. So SSH origin should be there, and it's a git command error. It should have some status there. Assert status is 128. Okay, so that should work now. Oops, not this one. This one. Come on. Try again. Nice. Good. And it should also work here. And it does. Cool. Flake 8. Happy. Flake 8 is happy. Cool. So everything should be happy now. That's the fix already. Oops. And maybe I keep these separate. Unstaged. So first, docs readme. Travis badge for master, not 0.3. That is that. And now we go with the one that closes 303. Fix git test. Sure, test does the right thing on Linux. Test works on Linux, probably not enough. Oh, that was close. Huh? Not so close after all. In terms of characters left on this first line, it shows that the previous implementation was never really working on Linux and thus failed on Travis as well for good reason. That is that. So let's push that guy, and now Travis should be fine again, and GitPython is back in a suitable, workable, good state. Thanks for watching and have a good day.